Say hi. 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 I'm recording you, recording me.
Did she say no first or we?
On your right side po, we have another optional. So our tour now is 1.5 kilometers po. So yun yung regular tour, and it takes around more or less 45 minutes. So the map of this gate, ito yung entrance and exit of our tour. So same kanan pa rin, yung white or yellowish, and we call it naman a T formation. Considered as stalactite, stalagmite, column, and flowstone. Hi! Annyeong!
I'm not sure if I want to drink from this bottle water.
Papalit yan.